Hello everyone, this is Rohit. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. As you have seen on thumbnail itself, today's lecture is going to be very different. In the morning, I announced in the FB group that I am going to conduct free mock test for CSR Net. After that, I got huge response from the student. So everyone is excited for the free mock test. But more than the students, I am very excited. As you can see, I have prepared today's lecture by Sketchpen and all. Okay. So let's begin. What is free mock test? So from 1st August we are going to conduct free mock test. Okay. So in this mock test we are going to conduct two full length tests every week. Okay, means what? There will be a test after each 3 day. Okay. So there will be two tests per week. Okay. And this test will be in the form of full length test. What I mean by full length test? So this paper will be same in the same pattern as CSR conduct the paper. Okay. So it will have part A aptitude section, it will have part B and as well as part C. Okay. So this is how our test paper is going to be. Okay. Next is online registration. So in order to appear for this free mock test, you have to register. So see, in morning I have announced in B group that I'm going to allow only 50 registration. Inbox was flooded with messages, so I have decided to extend further. So my next point is so see, in order to register, you have to download Telegram app, because every test I'm going to conduct on Telegram platform. Okay. So first thing, you have to download Telegram app from Play Store. So what is the benefit of this Telegram app? We are going to discuss. So this is going nothing but our discussion forum. So we are going to discuss mock test here. Okay. Also after the mock test, we are going to discuss solution of it. Okay. So after uploading test paper, I will give you sufficient amount of time to solve. After that, in evening I will upload answer key for that. After uploading answer key, you people have to verify your answers and you note your score. Okay. So you will note every score you are getting, so that by yourself you will get idea where you are moving ahead. Okay. My next point is registration form. Now see, in order to registration form, I will upload in description of this video. Okay. My next point is by joining Telegram app. Now see, what are more advantages of this Telegram group? We are not only going to conduct mock tests. I will provide you quality study material. Okay. And this study material for not only for CSR Net and SET. This study material will be available for CSR Net, GATE, IIT JAM, NBHM, TIFR, SET, and also for PhD entrance. Okay, etc. There will be more reference book on advanced mathematics, and price of all this book will worth of rupees 40,000 and more. Okay. And this all material you are going to get for absolutely for free. Okay. And see, my next point is, so we have already discussed this answer key and detailed solution of mock test. Now see, I'm going to upload answer key for every mock test in the evening. But see, the detailed solution, so I'm not going to upload detailed solution, because we all have to discuss after mock test conducted. Okay. So we will all discuss solution of this test paper we have conducted. We will get a gap of 2 to 3 days to discuss all the solution. Now see, next part is in order to be a part of this Telegram group community, so you have to follow some guidelines of this group. So I will read out all 5 guidelines. Okay. The first guideline is join Telegram group only if you are really want to discuss and seek mathematics. So only genuine candidate should join the Telegram group. Okay. Otherwise no need to join Telegram group. Okay. If you are genuinely interested in mathematics and seeking mathematics, then only you join Telegram group. Otherwise there is no need to join. Okay. Next guideline I will to highlight: no advertisement or promotion of any product or institute classes should be avoided. So advertisement and promotion of any product and institute should be avoided. If I found such a person who is promoting some product or institute, I will remove that, and or in fact the bot will remove that person. Okay. It is developed by AI, it will remove that person automatically. My next point is discuss your doubts after mock tests and share your ideas to tackle problem if someone asks. Okay. So what we are going to do in a Telegram group, we have to discuss all the mock tests we are going to conduct and share your ideas if someone asks. My next point is use of abusive language in the group will result in elimination from the group immediately. Okay. I will remove that person who will create nuisance in the group. So our next point is avoid sharing spam messages. This was asked by many students who are preparing for CSR Net. Strategies to crack CSR Net. See, I'm going to share strategies of my own which I used to crack CSR net. Those who know me might be know that I took almost 3 attempts to crack CSR net and set exam. So I don't want this to happen to you. Okay, I want you to crack CSR net in very first attempt. See why I took 3 attempts. I didn't have any resources. I didn't have proper guidance to crack CSR net. But this thing will not happen with you all. I promise you. So I'm going to upload all the study material which I used in throughout. Next topic is strategies to crack CSIR net. So this question was asked by many students to me. So but we are running out of time. I don't have time to elaborate this point. But see, I'm going to write one book on this topic, strategies to crack CSR net. So in this book, I have collected all the ideas from the topper from CSR net. So I've included the opinion of all the experts who had all India rank first, all India rank second, all India rank 9. Okay, so these are all the experts, and I have included ideas of all these people. Okay, so the book is 21 strategies to crack CSR net mathematical science. Okay, in this book also I have shared my ideas, my strategies, how do I prepared, which resources I used, what difficulty I had during preparation. I have answered all questions in this book. Okay, so due to lockdown this book is delaying, but soon it will be available on Amazon. So that's it for now. You go in the description and fill the registration form. I will see you on the Telegram group. Thank you everyone.